Scentsy Fanatics. Jackie Slaughterbeck, your independent Scentsy consultant here. Give me a sec. Well, hang on. Hold on. I'm going to flip you around. So, we are live. My sidekick and I, and looks like you just got the plant. Isn't his name Groot? Well, Groot and Rocket are on the Heroes for Guardian of the Galaxy. Can you show us him? So we just got these in the mail, and Sawyer doesn't seem to know who Groot is.
Yes, I know.
Yes, you do. It's the plant.
Who's the plant?
Groot.
Groot.
Groot. And his best friend is Rocket.
Who's Rocket?
Well, did we get a rocket?
Who's this Rocket?
Well, let's see. And
He fell right on my pancake.
he fell on your pancakes?
Is Rocket the raccoon's friend?
Yes. And you love raccoons.
I saw one.
You saw one?
Yeah, at the cabin.
Oh, you did.
Hi, Rocket. Hi, Sawyer.
Rocket the raccoon. He even has a backpack where Groot fits in. Does Groot fit in there, or does the scent pack? Groot goes in there, not the scent pack. So since we ordered the scent pack... Oh, okay. You're having a heck of a time with him. Whoa. Can I get Groot? You mean, can I get Rocket? You ever try to pick something up when you're filming something? Well, what is this?
It comes off.
I don't think it does.
How do we get the big scent pack?
Well, he has the scent pack already. Smell him. Smell him.
Oh, he does have to.
Mm-hmm.
So let's just go in here.
So since we got the scent pack with Rocket, instead of being the 9 Realms pictures, it's gonna have Rocket on it. I don't think Groot fits in there. Show us some more Rocket. Well, what's the raccoon's name? Look at him. Wow, are you going to take him for a ride in your Jeep? Well, yeah, you can. You're determined he's going in there, aren't you? Well, there you guys have it, Rocket and Groot. They have sold out. They are in the vault. They will be back. So stay tuned, and try to stay safe and have a great day. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.